Deep on the ocean floor, the sand striker, or bobbit worm, waits, with multiple mouth parts displayed. Bone-hard grappling hooks, poised to pierce and immobilize prey. But the real nightmare remains unseen. Coiled, pent-up aggression as long as an arm. And some specimens grow to twice the length of a man. As night falls, many sand strikers emerge to feast. It's a bad neighborhood to hang out in. But fish are fast, and the sand strikers are feeding blind. They don't have eyes or a brain. They react only if one of their antennae is triggered, or if a shadow lingers. Patience. Gotcha. And the sand strikers are just getting started. It's time for the main course. Underground, there's plenty of storage space. Anything on the seabed is fair game. Even spikes and venom are no match. Gone in seconds. Massacre over. The strikers withdraw to digest. Until the next time.